Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, thank you for tuning in and watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that bell button. Today's video will be a review on some hot tools, some crimps. Y'all know it is crimp season. Tis the season. So I will be reviewing some crimps by Plugged In, and if you would like to get into their review, just keep watching. Okay beauties, so the crimps I will be using are these crimps from Plugged In. These are mini crimps, and I got the small crimps because, honey, it's about to get hot, and I'm not finna be wearing no inches. I'm finna be bobbed out, and if I'm wearing any inches, it'll be braids or some locks or something. So I got this little one for my bob, but I'm gonna try it out on some inches. I think the longest inch of this is 24. It's 20, 22, 24, and an 18 closure. So we're gonna work this mini crimps and see what it do. It's real cute. It's like it's a matte pink and black. And it has the rubber grippers here. And also a place for your fingers so you don't burn them as you hold the crimps down. And then an on and off switch. And when it's on, just has a red light. It doesn't have like a temperature or anything on there, so boom, whatever. So I already I just applied a little bit of Fly the Body coconut and shea oils wrap me foamy mousse. It said create soft wrap, define curls, tame frizz, and I used it to tame the frizz on my closure and just got my part together, whatever. So now I'm gonna go in with some BioSilk Therapy. And I got this little bottle. It was like $2.49 just to try out. So I'm gonna put not a lot. I'm just gonna rub it through. Then I'm gonna go in with the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection. And this smells really, 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 really good. And it does a good job too of protecting your hair. So I'm gonna spray that. And now I'm gonna brush both of those products through. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning her off. Do like this. I'll make this a section. Off the other side like that as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and part out the back. And I'm going to be using Motion's Light Hold Working Spritz control and finish for soft, touchable, flexible hold. So I'm going in. So I'm going with the piece about this size, I reckon. Spritz. Come on through, girl. Comb it through. Start at the very top. And I'm only holding it for 10 seconds at a time. And you want to make sure you going behind everyone. You do not want to skip a space. And as y'all can see, I use a space too big, clearly for this mini one. Being a little too ambitious, but just keep going down. All the way to the end. And those little pieces that I didn't catch, I'm just separate those. Take my next section and split that one in half. Spritz her down. Comb her through. Start at the very beginning. Sorry for my arm in the way. Try to lift it up. Like I said, 10 seconds. At least that's what I'm doing. Like this could have used some more spray. I'm just scared because I don't want my hair to be tacky. But I put quite a bit of spray on there, and the hold on that first one, I can tell the difference. So don't be shy with your holding spray. And so far, we're just doing these two. It's still soft. but you can tell that it is like a hold on there. Like as you see this crimp, it's not really falling apart except for on that edge where, of course, I didn't really get good, but like that's a whole crimp. So that held pretty good. And like I said, it's still soft, it's still moving, it's not crunchy and dry, still. So do the same here. Comb that through. And comb that through. Follow that same step. This piece is too big, so break that down, comb it through. Now I would see basically doing this throughout the whole entire head. And you literally want to crimp down to the very last piece. crimp every little piece. Still got a little piece to go. When I say every piece, I mean every inch. Down to the last of the nitty gritty. So this is what it's starting off like. So far they are super cute.
Later.
These are the results. Super duper cute. And it's, my hair is looking red. It's actually orange.